Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials. In this video, we are going to see how to configure WordPress. This is a follow-up video of how to install WordPress locally. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll give the link in the description and the I button. Let's get started. So we should run the exam control panel and start the MySQL and Apache, yes, and go to your browser, type in localhost/tutorix. It's there, yes, and now we should type wp-admin to enter the WordPress dashboard, and the username we gave admin and the password is also admin. Okay, let's log in. Yes, so the WordPress dashboard is available. Now let's take a quick look at our site. Okay, so now what you have to do is go to settings, general, and you can optimize or change the site title and tagline. So the title is Tutorials, which is fine. The tagline, we are going to change it tutorials, tips, tricks, and more. Okay, so the URL and the site URL and the email address. Membership, we can see later about it. And new, okay, now you should set your time zone minus UTC plus 5:30. Okay, and the date format, everything is good. Click on save changes, and next you can go to writing. Here everything is good. Reading, you can make it a static page if you have, so there is sample pages. If you want, we can make it as a static, the home page. We can see this later. And this is the default settings, leave it for now. And the important setting is the permalinks. So we can see here, if you click on a post, you can see that there is a date and the time and the post. So for SEO purposes, what you have to do is just click on the post name, so it will be like tutorials/sample post, and click on save changes. So this is for SEO purposes, and you should refresh the site. Yes, it's done. Now go to hello world. You can see only hello world is there. There is no numbers or dates there, so that's what we want. So this is the basic settings, and now we can change the theme by going appearance theme. Now it's a 2019 theme. You can choose any theme. So we can see in the next tutorial about installing themes. Now let's continue our setup. Go to pages, so you don't need these pages. Move to trash and delete it from the trash permanently. Okay, next you have to go to comments and trash the comment, and go to trash and delete permanently. And the next is the posts, the hello world post, trash, delete permanently. And next is the plugins. So you don't need the plugins which are unused or inactive. So if we don't need this, we don't need that. So this is the basic cleanup setup of WordPress. So in next video we can see how to configure themes, install plugins, of course install themes and all that. Subscribe to Tutorials. Thanks for watching.